Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is a common health concern for men. It makes it hard to get or keep an erection. This can be upsetting and impact relationships. Many men feel embarrassed about it. But it's important to remember that ED is treatable. There are many causes of ED, some are physical, some are psychological. Many men find that natural remedies can help. We will discuss ED and how beetroot juice can help. Erectile dysfunction can be caused by a variety of physical problems within the body. Understanding these causes is crucial for effective treatment and management. One of the most common physical causes of ED is heart disease. Heart disease can significantly impact the body's ability to pump blood efficiently. When the heart is not functioning properly, it affects blood flow throughout the body, including to the penis. Adequate blood flow is essential for achieving and maintaining an erection. Poor blood flow due to heart disease can make it difficult to get or keep an erection, leading to ED. Another prevalent cause of ED is diabetes. Diabetes can lead to high blood sugar levels, which over time can cause significant damage to blood vessels and nerves. This damage can impair blood flow and nerve function, both of which are critical for normal erectile function. Managing blood sugar levels is essential for preventing these complications. Damage to blood vessels and nerves can severely impact the ability to achieve an erection, making diabetes a significant risk factor for ED. Other physical conditions that can lead to ED include obesity, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. These conditions can all contribute to the narrowing and hardening of blood vessels. When blood vessels are damaged or narrowed, it restricts blood flow, which is essential for an erection. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can help manage these risk factors. Sleep disorders, such as sleep apnea, and hormonal imbalances can also contribute to ED. Proper diagnosis and treatment of these conditions are important for overall health and sexual function. Additionally, certain medications can have side effects that lead to ED. It's important to discuss any concerns with a healthcare provider to find the best treatment options. Erectile dysfunction can also be caused by psychological factors. While physical health is often the first thing people consider, the mind plays a crucial role in sexual function. Psychological issues can be just as impactful as physical ones, if not more so. Understanding these factors is essential for effective treatment and overall well-being. Stress is a major contributor to ED. When you're stressed, your body goes into a fight-or-flight mode, releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones can interfere with the signals between your brain and your body, making it difficult to achieve or maintain an erection. Chronic stress can lead to long-term issues with sexual performance. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones that can interfere with erections. This is because stress diverts your body's resources away from non-essential functions, including sexual activity. Over time, this can create a cycle of stress and sexual dysfunction, where the stress of not being able to perform sexually leads to even more stress. Anxiety and depression can also play a significant role in ED. These mental health conditions can affect your mood, energy levels, and overall interest in intimacy. Anxiety can make you overly self-conscious and worried about your performance, which can, in turn, make it difficult to relax and enjoy sexual activity. These conditions can affect your mood and desire for sex. Depression can lead to a lack of interest in activities you once enjoyed, including intimacy. It can also cause fatigue and a general sense of hopelessness, making it hard to engage in intimate activities. Addressing these mental health issues is crucial for improving sexual function. Relationship problems can also contribute to ED. Issues like poor communication, unresolved conflicts, and lack of intimacy can create a stressful environment that is not conducive to sexual activity. When partners are not emotionally connected, it can be challenging to feel physically connected as well. Arguments and lack of intimacy can lead to stress and anxiety. These emotional barriers can make it difficult to achieve and maintain an erection. It's important for couples to work on their relationship and address any underlying issues to improve their sexual health. Past sexual trauma can also have a lasting impact on sexual function. Traumatic experiences can lead to feelings of fear, shame, and anxiety, which can interfere with sexual performance. Therapy and counseling can be beneficial in addressing these deep-seated issues and improving sexual health. It's important to address these psychological factors to effectively treat ED. Seeking help from a mental health professional can provide valuable insights and coping strategies. By understanding and managing these psychological causes, individuals can improve their sexual function and overall quality of life. Beetroot juice, a natural aid. Many men turn to natural remedies to help with ED. One natural remedy that has shown promise is beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is rich in nitrates. Nitrates are compounds that can improve blood flow. Beetroot juice is easy to add to your diet. You can drink it plain or add it to smoothies. Some men find that drinking beetroot juice regularly helps them achieve and maintain erections. Nitrates in beetroot juice and improved blood flow. Nitrates work by converting to nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a molecule that relaxes blood vessels. This allows blood to flow more easily. Improved blood flow is essential for achieving and maintaining an erection. Studies have shown that beetroot juice can improve blood flow to the penis. This can lead to firmer and longer-lasting erections. Beetroot juice may also help to improve overall sexual function. Incorporating beetroot juice into your daily routine. Beetroot juice is a vibrant, nutrient-packed beverage that can easily become a part of your daily routine. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, improve your cardiovascular health, or simply enjoy a refreshing drink, beetroot juice has something to offer. Adding beetroot juice to your diet is simple. Start by incorporating it into your daily schedule. You can add it to your morning routine, have it as a midday refreshment, or even enjoy it in the evening. The key is to make it a consistent part of your day. Start by drinking 1 cup of beetroot juice per day. This amount is sufficient to provide you with the essential nutrients and benefits that beetroot juice offers. Over time, you can adjust the quantity based on your personal preference and how your body responds. You can drink it in the morning or evening. Drinking it in the morning can give you a refreshing start to your day, while having it in the evening can help you unwind and relax. Experiment with different times to see what works best for you. If you find the taste too strong, you can mix it with other juices. Combining beetroot juice with orange juice, apple juice, or even a bit of ginger can create a delicious and more palatable drink. This way, you can still enjoy the benefits without compromising on taste. Look for fresh beetroot juice whenever possible. Freshly made beetroot juice retains more of its natural nutrients and flavors compared to processed varieties. You can find fresh beetroot juice at local markets, health food stores, or even make it at home using a juicer. It contains more nutrients than processed varieties. Fresh beetroot juice is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are often lost during the processing and packaging of commercial juices. By choosing fresh, you ensure you're getting the maximum health benefits. Be patient and consistent with your intake. Like any dietary change, it takes time for your body to adjust and for you to start noticing the benefits. Consistency is key, so try to make beetroot juice a regular part of your routine. It may take a few weeks to notice the benefits of beetroot juice. Some people report feeling more energetic, having better digestion, and even seeing improvements in their skin. Stick with it, and you'll likely start to see positive changes in your overall health and well-being. Seeking professional medical advice. While beetroot juice can be helpful, it's important to talk to your doctor if you're experiencing ED. ED can be a symptom of a more serious health condition. Your doctor can determine the underlying cause of your ED and recommend the best treatment options for you. Treatment for ED may include medication, lifestyle changes, or therapy. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you're struggling with ED. Thanks for watching.